Hey, guess what?
You figured it out.
I did. High five.
High five.
Whoop, whoop. Okay, so yes, you can change a short thumbnail after you upload it. So I'm going to show Jason, and we're going to share it with all of you. Okay, so you're just going to go to YouTube. You're not going to go to YouTube desktop. You're not going to any other YouTube. Just go to your YouTube app. On the bottom, go to your picture or whatever your profile picture is. Click on that. You see where it says your videos? Click on that. Yep. Now, go to the word shorts. Perfect. Now find a short that you want to change the thumbnail for. Okay, so you're going to click on the three dots. Yep, right next to that picture. And you're going to go to the word edit. And yep, the magic pencil is there. Go ahead and click on that pencil, Jay. Right at the bottom, there is all the pictures in your short. You can't upload another picture, but you can pick another picture from your short. So slide it to another picture. I think we're going to use the stickers. Voted today. So now you're going to hit that little check mark in the upper corner. Yep. And then you also have to hit the word save. Video updated. And there you go. Yes, you can change your thumbnail on your short after you uploaded it.
Well, that was easy.
Yes, it is. Have fun changing your short thumbnails, everyone. Share, hit the thumbs button, tell everybody in your community, yes, you can change your short thumbnail. Thank you for stopping by P&J's Homestead Adventure. 2024 was a great year, and if you're new around here, here's a trailer so you can see what we've been up to. Happy New Year, everyone.